Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chimbo Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo ang ating mga hagilap for today's video. So kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Okay? Guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. So guys, umpisa na natin ang laban para sa ating mga kapatid na Virgo. Ano kaya ang message sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? There is a Five of Pentacles. There's a financial loss. Here. Nagkakaroon ng financial loss and there's an over. Diba? More gastos, more bili, more gala, or more, tawag dito, more orders, and Five of Swords, self-sabotage. Boy, the Nine of Wands. Slow and steady. Ha? Kalmado lang. Hindi yun pag nag-order, tuloy-tuloy. No? Sinasabi sa dito lang hinay-hinay lang daw, ha? And of course, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. At the same time, what is additional messages? There's an Ace of Swords. In reverse daw. So, it means makakalaya ka na and there's a recovery, no? From the pain. Pasabog. What is the Five of Pentacles? There's an Ace of Swords. There's a breakthrough. May breakthrough here. What is the Nine of Cups? There's a Ten of Wands. Okay, tinatapos sa iyong obligation dito or responsibilities. And of course, there's an information na maghahatid sa iyo ng offer, recognitions, na proposal. And of course, there's a full card. Leave of faith, no? Kumbaga, huwag ka basta-basta nagtitiwala, lalo-lalo na yung mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, mabilis ka kasing mabudol, no? Mag-ingat. What is the Nine of Wands? And there's a new beginning daw. What is the Nine of Wands? Okay, there's a Page of Pentacles, manifestation. Kalma ka lang, makukuha mo rin yung mga bagay na yan. Huwag mong minamadali. What is the Nine of Cups? There's a Six of Cups. Okay, there's a ex coming back or there's some past relationship na kumbaga magpupuno sa'yo ng kahilingan. Kumbaga, pagtutupad sa'yo ng kahilingan mo. Kumbaga, sinihiling mo siguro na bumalik siya sa'yo, ganon. What is the Eight of Swords? There's a King of Pentacles, being practicality. Kumbaga, naka-recover ka na about sa finances. Ngayon, kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, be practical. What is the Five of Pentacles? And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. There's a everything fine, no? Kumbaga, sa dami mong pinagdaanan, okay ka pa. Okay ka pa. No? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na para pinipilit mong ilaban. And of course, don't you worry, there's a breakthrough. Makukuha mo what you deserve. What is the Nine of Cups and the Ten of Wands? What is the Nine of Cups and Ten of Wands? There's a Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. Maaring matatapos na to. No? Matatapos na yung obligation, matatapos na responsibilities. And of course, kumbaga, there's a new beginning. What is the Five of Swords in the full card? Okay, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new, there's a victory and success. So, what is the Knight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles? There's a Ten of Swords. There's backstabbing, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, there's a lot of betrayal, deceptions. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na, ikalma mo lang kasi. Ha? Ikalma mo lang. Huwag ka magmadali. Huwag ka maging padalos-dalos. Makukuha mo yan kung ano ba yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. What is the Nine of Cups? There's an Ace of Cups. There's a love life nga, ti. Ex coming back. Or, there's a friend na may lihim na pagtingin sa'yo. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a new love life, new romance. Kung hindi to ex, so there's a new love life. Don't you worry. What is the Ace of Swords in reverse and the King of Pentacles? There's the word card, travel. Kumaga magkakaroon ka ng travel dito or may travel ka talaga sa ibang bansa, baka nagtrabaho ka sa ibang bansa or makakabalik ka na. What is additional outcome? What is additional outcome? There's a Four of Wands, celebration, wedding, engagement, Two of Pentacles, that brings you a balance. No? Magkakaroon ka ng balance. And of course, there's the Emperor. Be mature and be grounded. Ibig sabihin to, kumbaga is boss. No? Kumbaga may makikilala kang boss, no? Na magdadala sa iyo ng balance and wedding or celebrations. Pasabog. About sa career, let's see. Dagdagan natin yan. About sa career. There's a Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa career or finances. Ibig sabihin dito, laking pasabog sa'yo dito na magiging masaya ka about sa finances career mo. About sa love life, there's a judgment. Wake up call, no? Kumbaga, maging maingat ka na. And of course, there's a Hangman. Baguhin mo yung perspective mo or pananaw mo. Hindi na yung sunod-sunuran ka, ganyan. Kumbaga, mag-ingat-ingat ka na, no? Kasi masyado ka nagmahal at sobra-sobra yung pagmamahal. About naman sa health, Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo yung grounds mo, lalo-lalo na yung health mo. And of course, power of the decks, there's a Six of Wands. Victory and success. Na magtatagumpay ka sa larangan ng buhay na tatahakin mo in all aspects. Pasabog! So, let's see. What is the Love Oracle cards? There's a Phoenix hand of a card. Ibig sabihin, take a risk. No? Sumugal ka sumugal ka kung kinakailangan. Be strategic and there's a Phoenix, no? Rising from the ashes and there's a wedding. Ikakasal ka na. No? Darating na siya. So, let's see. What is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Angel Spirit Guides. Don't let past hold your back. Huwag mo na raw balikan yung ex mo. O huwag mo na raw balik-balikan na nakaraan pa. No? And of course, a time for healing. Wow! Kumbaga, kailangan mo ng pagalingin yung sugat ng nakaraan. What is the another messages? There's a teacher or guardian. Ibig sabihin dito, parang may gumagabay sa'yo and there's a confidence. Magkaroon ka daw ng confidence sa sarili mo. And obviously din yan na magkaroon ka daw ng shield, no? Or protectionan mo yung sarili mo. Masyado ka na nasaktan sa nakaraan. Charis. What is additional messages? And there's an impatient. I told you, di ba, kanina? Kumbaga, nawawala ka sa ani. Kumbaga, nagiging padalos-dalos ka, nagmamadali ka. Kasi there's a process and progress. Time to, kumbaga, takes time, no? There's a takes time talaga. Kailangan mo mag-antay. Habang nagiging impatient, there's a guilt, no? Parang nagagalit ka na rin sa sarili mo. Don't you worry, there's an enlightenment at the end of the time. Magkakaroon niya ng clarity, kaliwanagan sa lahat na nangyari sa'yo. Parang bigla ka na lang matatauhan. So, what is additional messages? And there's a loneliness. Hindi ka rin nag-iisa. And you have a freedom. May kalayaan ka. Di ba kanina parang sinasabi dito, parang I possess the power and the free will to create my own happiness. Ikaw kasi yung magbidikta ng sarili mong kaligayahan. Talk to your angels. And of course, there's a study, no? Matuto ka na sa pinagdaanan mo. Aral na yan sa'yo. And there's an artist. Pagandahin mo ang kwento mo or pagandahin mo yung drawing mo ng buhay mo. What is the energy? Energy is magician on the mirror. Si manipulator and reflections. Kumbaga, kung ano naman yung ginawa mo, magre-reflect lang din sa iyan. Love yourself first. And of course, there's an action. Kailangan mo kumilos, gumalaw. Goddess of the Moon, there's an unexpected moment. And there's a mystery behind. Meron ka pang hindi nalalaman. Yeah. Parang sinasabi dito sa akin dito, forgive yourself. You done nothing wrong. No? May tao lang talaga na hindi pa para sa'yo. May taong para sa'yo, kaya kailangan mo mag-antay. And of course, 777, I am the flow. Sumabay ka sa agos ng eksena. Your purpose flows from the within you and everything that is unfolding of being revealed. You is a part of your purpose as states of peace and calmness in your soul. Di ba? Kumbaga, may lalabas o may lalantad talaga yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Kumbaga, ilalantad o ilalahad yan sa'yo kung para sa'yo yan. Sumabay ka lang sa agos. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Be a good comfort. Your faith has me be will. Ibig sabihin dito, maging mabuti ka lang daw sa sarili mo, even sa ibang tao. At magtiwala ka, no? Kumbaga, ipagkakaloob niya ng buong buo ang para sa'yo. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, may mga tao sa paligid mo na nangangailangan ng tulong mo, within, not a material thing, but physical and emotional. So sinasabi sa'yo dito, ganun din niya ilalabas o paano niya ibibigay sa'yo ang tiwala at ang tiwala at pagmamahal niya. No? So sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mo lang ay kalma at kailangan mo mag-antay. What is the messages of life? Everything changes. What is everything changes? A soap ledger radiates from my heart, it illuminates those around me, and transform every situation I encounter. I maintain positive attitudes in spite of any difficulties I may perceive. No matter the circumstances, I remain source of true joy. Everything changes when it is a bath of the light in divine. See? Lahat magbabago ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na ibibigay niya sa'yo yung pagbabago, ibibigay niya sa'yo ang karapat-dapat sa'yo. Marunong ka mag-antay. No? Patient is the key from the success and you deserve. No? Kung mag-antay-antay, hindi tayo pwedeng magmadali. Huwag kang pala desisyon. So this is your weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagaw. Sa mga nanonood dyan, please comment your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo para sa susunod na reading natin, kwento mo na ang masagap natin. So guys, maraming salamat from your wonderful reading and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!